Hey guys, how's it going? Today I've got another cool horn to look at. So this is a Leslie S2B. Now it's another two chime. I know a lot of people don't like the two chimes, but this is a pretty cool one just because it's not a very common horn. With the S2B, you've got a 37 and a 31, so kind of a weird bell combo. The 31 on this horn, as you can see, is a two-piece welded bell. Of course, both bells are square with Tabby bronze Tabby power chambers. So this is going to be like an early 50s horn. Now this one I don't think is original. I'm not sure, but I don't think it's original. But it is error correct. It does have the error correct manifold. Unfortunately, it is missing the tag though. The S2Bs, that's like a really rare tag. They're a very uncommon horn. So an S2B tag is kind of a big deal, and that's probably why it's missing. Whoever had this horn at some point popped that tag off. This will be found on like a switcher. It is more of a higher pitched version. I know you've seen the S2A, and it is more of a deeper tone horn. So this is the S2B, and then you also have the S2M, which you'll see here pretty soon also. So those are kind of Leslie's three main two chimes. I think they did have an S2D also, but I think that was dual 37 bells. But anyway, so not much more to say about it, guys. Pretty cool horn. Both these heads have been machined, so this horn is sounding properly. But that's about it, guys. So y'all enjoy this, guys. This is the Leslie S2B.